Abatobi Esimuwa, all the medias. All the medias. Nona media. No srogi wolo. Ono stop war. Eba war.
What?
In fact, can you use you can call you to sleep? Osmo won. The media can nezozia. Ono kosa.
And
the secondary. Also, I follow back.
Shut up! You're not gonna see media. I'm not gonna come.
Oh no, my one I follow back.
huh? Make a mother block your mouth there.
I so.
Jesus is Lord.
Na osno were Emano Yibo and Shmi Kena Water.
You be mumu.
Man, I even my no sequel. I follow back. Na
This is plain.
If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around like somebody who has boil under his tie.
Manivo Kunu, Ono sequel. No sequel. I follow back in Biafran government in exile.
It's a lie.
I beg, slot in the investment. Who do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Let everybody Chihazo na Biafran government in exile.
Wanna pour me water? Water? Got my head a buzz. Put me water.
And onye une Chihazo na Biafran government in exile. I will Biafra ka ọ na-achọ.
I don't tire. I'm not do again. Cry for me. Cry. Cry for me. Make I use your tear my piano.
Onye amazikwa ibe ọ na-achọ. And also all the medias. Onye akalizikwe na ele ya asị. All the medias. Onye akalizikwe na ele ya asị.
Thunder fire you there.
Onye akalizikwe na ele ya asị.
Will you tell this man to shut his mouth?
Osi.
Remember from the beginning and foundation of Biafra Republic government in exile, when our Lord Jesus Christ said, in the beginning, from the beginning, he was there with our God. Remember from the beginning and foundation of Biafra Republic government in exile, Mazi.
Thunder fire you. When government approved primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time?
I don't know. You don't know. You're clear.
Elias and the others. No, we go to Chihazo. That is our business. But I will say, Ekpari, Ndonalo, Biafra.
You did Chris?
Why you going to talk like?
Opa Elias, Nandozo. From today going on, baby, I don't care what that on in order. Oh, now why you're because I will say so.
Come and sit down, sit down there. Sit down.
Today, that's what I'm telling you. There's no ESN. Even when Mazi Namdekan is coming out, and Mazi Namdekan is reenacting his own ESN. Ngozi is busy telling people there's no ESN. Thunder fire that your mouth. You are a mad woman.
Fear. I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face. Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit. You know understand?
Look, if Mazi Namdekan say there is ESN, there is ESN.
Cry for me. Cry. Cry for me. Make I use your tear my piano.
Namdekan's decision that there's no ESN. The highest man Sam will say to Namdekan is, Mazi Namdekan, look at this, look at that, and you know, they can see me. You understand? You can never tell Mazi Namdekan that there's no ESN. That's why you know that these bastards, because Nkere is a bastard, Nkere is a bastard, they will all collapse.
Fear. Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit. You know understand?
And anything I tell you, it doesn't bounce. It doesn't bounce.
It's a lie.
I am the Amo Vera. And I am the egg man.
You are a stupid man.
I beg, slot in the investment. Who do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
And then one of my brothers said, no, Akwa na law go. How can I law? Shameless, pathetic bastards.
Make a mother I'll block your mouth there.
I am the Eggman. Akwa, Tetanora would Akwa Tiwani Sigi, I'm telling you, Kinemagu.
Hey! Jesus! I beg your time. I beg your system so I don't.
Ikinemagu, Chefogi.
Thunder fire you there.
Shameless idiots.
Cry for me! Cry for me! Cry! Cry for me! Make I use your tear my piano.
Fear.
You that are speaking English and thinking that you can come and maneuver and do things, your days are coming. Except you repair your ways. Both you and your husband, husband and wife, you will all, both of you be disgraced.
Wanna pour me water? Water? Got my head a buzz. Pour me water.
Except you amend your ways. Look, anybody that succeeds in scattering Biafrans, bringing division to at whatever capacity. At whatever capacity you find yourself, one thing you must never do is divide the house. If you are found to divide the house, I bet you I will raise up a voice against you. I will break egg on your head.
I got the advice from a madman.
So this information is going to the latest husband and wife that are doing their own rigmarole, speaking English up and down. Go and amend your ways. If I remember you, very shameless people. So you did not learn from Nkere and Mazi. You want to start speaking English? Think English will save you.
Shut up, you know if you do.
Dara. You're not going to repair your mind. You succeed in dividing Biafra. Just in this small place where we are now, trying to bring ourselves together. Some bunch of idiots, especially this husband and wife, trying to divide the house.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
Funke.
I beg your time. I beg your system so I don't.
You can see that I'm losing it already. That's, my tongue is opening small. By the time I open it completely, God will punish you.
Hey! Hello.
I have suffered. Shameless, pathetic saboteurs everywhere. Dara.
Where's the phone number?
Dara. So Dabrechi David say, but Kanu Takanu is against PM. Just shut your mouth and keep that one corner. Kanu Takanu is not the founder of IPOB. Kanu Takanu is not the head or leader of Biafra. The leader of Biafra is Mazi Kanu, not Kanu Takanu. So you go and listen to the people. I know, I see what you are doing. Dabrechi, you're going from corner to corner. You're hiding from behind. I don't have respect for people like you anymore. That's the truth. Dabrechi, I don't. Because you are not a straightforward person. I thought that your mind is straight. I see. You are following that husband and wife, going up and down. I see you now.
Come on, get up from the
Don't forget that I'm bam. If Mazi Kanu makes a statement, that statement Mazi Kanu make, no, fine. It's fine. I want you to know that there's nobody that will stand up and define the reason why there was BLA. You all know it. It's because ESN was kidnapped. And they plan to ruin ESN. That's why we had BLA.
Hello.
And now the same crop of men are now coming to give you a press briefing. You have another person. Another person anyway. If Igwe Butuso says that he's ESN, the same Igwe Butuso that is BLA, he tells he's ESN. Are you going to come out and say, no, Igwe Butuso, you are BLA, you are not ESN?
Will you keep quiet?
Some of you don't have sense. Is Igwe Butuso, is he responding to Kanu Takanu? That's why some of you will not fix. Be very, very solid with your decision and be sure where you are.
Hey! Hello.
I have suffered.
Order. No order from DSS dungeon. The reason for us not taking order anymore from the DSS dungeon is to...
Same way you listen to that message from the beginning. We are not taking orders from DSS dungeon.
Apostle, we hear of this.
From Nigerian prison. We are not taking order from Finland prison. The reason for that is to protect those our leaders.
I got the advice from a madman.
To protect Mazi Kanu from prison, to protect Mazi Kanu from prison. So any order that is coming out from prison now, from Finland and from Nigeria, from these leaders, we are not taking that order.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face. Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit. You know understand?
Again, forever. They will be dead and gone inside prison because everything we will use their name to do will implicate them. So we are not taking orders from them in prison.
Guard our leader. We want our leader to be safe. We want to exonerate our leader from anything that Biafrans will be doing for his own best interest. So
anything that we shall be doing going forward in 2025, 2026, 2027, or till Biafra comes, as far as our leaders are in prison, we will not tag their name. We will not put that they are the one giving the order, or they said this, or they directed this. It is for their own good. It is to keep them away, because if we put their names, it will be used against them. So for all of you that are using our leader's name, Simon Ekpa name, Mazi name, and then you say he is giving order, he's telling you to come and do this, telling you to come and do this, desist from it. And all of you that are trying to follow that a message that a man and the rest of them are former are sending to you, you are digging the graves of our leaders that are in prison.
Hey, it's a lie.
I beg, slot in the investment. Who do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Stop it, because you're going to implicate them the more. Somebody cannot be in prison and be the one giving you orders here.
any actions that Biafra people will be taking in Biafra land, you don't attach Mazi to it.
Any action that Biafrans will be taking, BRGIO, Biafra Defense Forces, or Biafrans in the homeland, or any Biafran taken for Biafran quest, don't attach Mazi Simon Ekpa name to it, or Mazi Namdekano.
Hello.
Don't tag their name to implicate them.
Any action that Biafrans will be taking in Biafra land for the freedom of Biafra, the freedom of Mazi Namdekano, and freedom of all prisoners of conscience, you don't bring Mazi Namdekano to it.
Now that now anybody in the China madam or Adam Benande Gidanya Snamana Gopo. A man you will in a go with you. Because Namanaga, I support nobody. I support nobody.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
Funke.
I beg you, I tell I beg you, so I don't.
All the medias, non media. Uno srogi wolo, uno stop eba war. Hey!
Hello.
I have suffered. Do know, man do odo, adandem bonandeg, they don't support anybody.
Hey, it's a lie.
All the medias, all signing, I follow back.
Cry for me! Cry for me! Cry! Cry for me! Make I use your tear my piano.
Can make it clear now. Odo no one ani mente. Ma odo ma new DOSO ma new DOSO. I don't stand for anybody.
This is plain.
If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around like somebody who has boil under his thighs.
Oh no, my man, I pay for the back. I has so.
I beg, slot in the investment. Who do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Before me want stand there for you people will show me if you know the capable na ni bomuluzi monzo na Biafra land.
Hello.
I would in America take picture. I would buy in America.
Wanna pour me water? Water? Got my head a buzz. Pour me water.
I'm tired of all this rubbish. Knife for a White House. America is not a new thing. This White House, I may take a picture for 24 hours. And they say around a White House, they say, tired of this new White House.
Apostle, we hear of this.
This, the tired, shower. The flag, Biafra, will wash every corner, a street, and never an alley. Where this idiot to the lally. Biafran flag. Nana, we magule ni.
Romance,
Oh, I can na. Yeah, okay, from where could open a change this Biafran flag. I was very happy because Nande, you go this flag, malo.
Will you keep quiet?
So before that time, They call me. As they call me, they contact me and they tell me, say, Efe, there is something we want to put in your possession and give the thing, that thing and money. Efe, there is money we want to put in your possession, that money you give to so person, you give to so person. See, among the people who want this, una go share the money among una self.
How much do you make a day?
I wonder. I can say, okay. So that money was truly sent to me, and I share them within the people, the names of the people. Maybe say that money.
They give you when you share the money to.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Yes, they give me the money, make I share and give. As in among ourselves.
I got the advice from a madman.
I don't want to mention anybody's name yet. Amongst ourselves. So the money enter my account. I can share the money within ourselves.
Hello.
I want him to cut this video, to send this video to FL. Tell him that Mazi said that she is not a freedom fighter for taking bribe. Even if it's one set, she is not a freedom fighter. Bam. She know nothing. I want him to cut this video, send to Tony Metroba to tell him that he is not a freedom fighter. He is just nothing but a bumfoo.
Jesus. Water, got my head a buzz, full water.